Ollama and LM Studio both let you run large language models locally, but they serve slightly different users. Ollama focuses on simplicity. It runs models like Llama, Mistral, and V2 with just a few commands. Setup is clean, the UI is minimal, and it supports both terminal and API usage. It's ideal for developers who want quick, low effort access to open source models without tweaking too much. LM Studio, on the other hand, is more feature rich. It includes a full GUI, advanced settings for prompts, system instructions, and hardware optimization. It even supports running models in GGUF format and offers compatibility with models hosted on Hugging Face. If you want detailed control over inference parameters and visual feedback, LM Studio is the better pick. In short, choose Ollama for minimal setup and a developer-focused workflow. Choose LM Studio if you prefer a GUI with more customization options and power user features.